Hi guys, you're welcome to our channel. Yes, we are live in the city of Asaba this morning, so let's quickly do a drive on top the newly constructed flyover in Asaba. We're actually coming from Benin, so we're in Asaba now, so let's do a coverage of the flyover. Let's see how it is. There are infos that it was not well completed before it was commissioned, so let's get to check it out together. So if you are new on our channel, you are welcome to Arlin TV. Please do well to click the subscribe button, turn on notification there, so you'll be the first to know when we upload new videos. And if you are a returning subscriber, thank you very much. We appreciate your support for the channel. So let's get to the bridge. So if you are from Delta State, let's know what you think about this flyover in KOKA Junction in Asaba. What's your thought about it? So we are just approaching it now. As you can see, the floor, the down lane is still not well completed. Let's hope that will be completed soon. So we are currently on top of the flyover, looking okay, and I think it's also open for trailers to use because there's no barricade, so trailers can actually ride on it. It's actually cool because it's actually decongested the traffic around this KOKA Junction. KOKA Junction used to be one hell of a traffic zone, but at least it's looking very decongested this morning. So let's get your comments in the comment section about the bridge. If you have used the bridge before, also do let us know. But just like the whole rant on social media, it's very obvious that finishing work has not been done. Yes, they just opened it up probably because of the festive period or something. So finishing work still needs to be done for the lane preceding the bridge, the flyover, and the ground floor lanes. All of those lanes needs to be done. So that is it for the flyover in Asaba. So let's get your thoughts. Do well to like this video, do well to share with your loved ones as well. And if you are from Asaba or from Delta State, if you are proud of the project, also do let us know in the comment section. So guys, thank you very much for joining us on this drive. We'll catch you in our next